What's going on, YouTube? We're over here, we're working on putting on some pads and some shoes and a drum, and I'm gonna show you all how to put the new one on. What comes in the box? New drum. Already did this one, but I figure I'll just show you guys. Taking it off is pretty easy. It's all springs. Just take your springs off and everything. You have to change this rollers out, and the seat that's in here, you gotta usually heat this up and push it out. You could either do it with an air hammer or whatever, and then install new ones. This is relatively new. We're just redoing this brakes because we had a hub leak, so it got the other brakes contaminated. So that's why we got to change them out. So in this case, I'm not changing this ones because they're brand new. You go up and down with them, they really don't have any play, and they're sliding in nice and easy because they're brand new. I mean, probably like 2 months old. So, and another brake job, if you have that wants to slide in and out, you have to change this out, and you have to change the inside liner out. Alright, go ahead and I'll open up the box and show you all what we got in here. You never want to touch the surface area. You don't want to contaminate that, so you always try to grab it from the side or whatever. And if you do touch it, just try to make sure you have some clean gloves where you don't mess it up. Just pull them out. So like I said, they come with everything. See the rollers I was talking about. The sleeves, so you can change that out. You have your 2 springs and your rollers for your S-cam. I'll take this open up. I'll open this up now and I'll show y'all how to go from there. Alright, y'all. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna have shoes like this. You're gonna have this baby right here. Alright, this goes in. This is where your main return spring is gonna go hooked on. Okay, so you can see it's got this 2 little ears on it. Then you have a little notch right there. So you're gonna want to put it in here. Put it through all kind of. Kind of have to hold it down here and head it from the top and get that in there to where it won't come out and it's nice and free. So once you get it in, this is what it's going to look like. What it should feel like it's free. It should be able to slide out. Okay. I'll show you next step. Next step, I'm going to have to top shoe. Sorry about that. I'm doing it with one hand. We're just gonna lay it like so. It's gonna stay right in here. We're gonna get our retaining springs. Lay them, just dangle them like this. Okay. I like to get a ratchet strap and lay it right there, and I'll show you all what I do afterwards. Basically, in theory, so I'm not going to be able to film this, but I grab this other one and I hang it like so, boom, with both of the springs, and then flip it together and put my ratchet strap, and I'll show you all what that looks like after I do it. And then I mess with my retaining spring, my return spring. Alright, so you kind of want to, like I did, I just hooked it right here. There's really no tension right now. And what you're going to do is you're going to push it, hold this one from the hook over here so it doesn't flip up on you, because it would flip up. So what I'll do is I'll push this one in. I have my ratchet strap ready to go, and I just push it forward and clamp it into place so I can install my return spring. I'll show you all what that looks like. Alright guys, so this is how I have my ratchet strap around the whole circumference of the brake shoes, and it's nice and tight. So when I put some force on it with my pry bar to get this return spring, which is just gonna be the doozy right here, what most people have problems with. Everything is gravy till this point. So I usually go in the inside. Little tab we installed. If I can do it one hand on the inside here and hook it in and let it hang. Of course. Alright guys, so once you got the top spring hanging here, you're gonna get something like this. Stick it in here. Hook it to the top of your spring like so. Push it down and connect it. That should get you right in there. Alright guys, so we're gonna make sure that the spring is right in the middle. Let's see. There you go. You want to push it away. So right about there. Right in the middle. Make sure that it is hooked on the top and it's hooked on the bottom. Alright, you can take your strap off now. That's cam roller. Stick your ears in. That's how they're gonna look. You have to be able to roll freely. I'm gonna get this pry bar here. Stick it in like so. Pry down on it. That cam roller is gonna sit right there on those ears, and the clips are gonna go clipped into those holes. Make sure it's clipped in and make sure it rolls freely. Once you put it in, it's gonna look like so. Clips are gonna be in there on each side. Put some tension on it. Roll it. It's gotta roll freely. Okay. Then do the same thing for the top one. Real quick, after you put that on, you back up your slack adjuster all the way back. That way your shoes are sitting so short as they can be. That way you can slide your drum in. Quick tip: if you're backing off your slack adjuster and you don't hear that and you don't have that pressure, it means you got a bad automatic slack adjuster. So go ahead and check that out. There's different ways to check it out. That's not the correct specific way. You should have the truck cranked on full pressure with the slack adjuster backed off, and you should hear automatically every time you hit the brake adjusting itself. So we're gonna back it all the way up. My ass cam, I don't know if y'all can see it there. It's moving. Right there. Sitting good. So right now I'm able to grab the drum, put it on my knees like so, and slide it in. And I'll show you guys how to do a quick adjustment just to get it close enough to where the slack adjuster will take over. And that's gonna be the end of that. Right, y'all. So alright, now we got this slid in. Slicing like butter if you back up the slack adjuster all the way like I told you guys to do. Now we are going to flip this here. And if you can see this with the slack adjuster, it looks like, of course, this is a mixer, so it's full of concrete and stuff like that. Yours is probably going to be much cleaner than that. Now we're going to tighten it all the way up. You'll see the slack adjuster moving. Now we're going to go all the way up. So basically we're going to put the shoes to make contact with the drum. So right there is all the way tight. We can't even move this baby anymore. Okay. Now back it off half a turn. Okay. quarter, another quarter. That'll make it half a turn. I usually give it a little bit extra just so the slack adjuster does go ahead and take over and adjust. That's close enough there to where you hit it, the brakes 2 times, and it'll adjust. Hopefully this helps you guys. I didn't mention this. Make sure you check your S-cam when you take your brakes out. Make sure you check it. Make sure you have the proper play on it. Always check everything while you're down here. Keep an eye open for stuff. If you see, rubbed hoses or anything like that, just make sure, check it out. And hopefully this was helpful and it was able to help you guys out. Maybe save you a couple of bucks if you're an owner operator. It's not hard. There's something you can do. Real quick, one more thing. The tight and then half a turn back, that's got to be with your chamber caged. So that'll be like if your brakes were pushed in and your wheels were free. Make sure to remember to uncage that. That way you don't have a runaway truck, because it will not brake after that. So again, the adjustment that I did was with my brake chamber caged, fully caged. Thank you. Alright, so as I said, guys, hopefully this video helped you all out. If you're an owner operator, you can do this yourself. Save yourself a heck of a lot of money. Have confidence in yourself. Be patient. Do it. Save yourself money. Make more money. And more money in your pocket. I said that was a truck driver, so I know how expensive repairs can be and how a lot of mechanics can take advantage of y'all. So hopefully this helps you guys, gives you the confidence to tackle the job. If you guys have any questions and you do like this kind of videos, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll keep on putting them out. Hopefully help a couple of people out in the process of doing these videos. Thank y'all. Have a blessed day.